Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be walking you guys through my weekly Sunday routine. I really like to do this to have a fresh start for the week and to just feel good, starting off my week with a nice clean house. First things first is getting ready to wash all of my clothing and bedding. Second is vacuuming and also making sure I vacuum my bed because that can get corroded with dirt over time. Next is using my disinfectant wipes to wipe off my nightstand as well as my headboard. Third is dusting off my dresser as well as wiping off the mirror. Next, we're moving on to the bathroom where I'm going to wipe down the mirror, wipe down my countertops, and of course making sure I disinfect the toilet. Moving on to the kitchen and the living room where I'm going to begin wiping down the island countertops, wiping down my TV for any smudges or smears, and then moving on to mopping and sweeping the floors. All part of my typical routine to have a nice quick Sunday reset and to start the week off super fresh and clean. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.